Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this grill brush, which I think would make a great Father's Day gift for anyone who has an outdoor grill or loves that. But also, a friend of mine said, why don't you use it on your grill on your stove? So it's not technically a grill, but the top part of my stove is like a grill. This is so interesting. This is how easy it is. So basically, step one, you are going to just have your grill preheated. Step two, you're going to dip the brush in the water. And then step three, the carbonized residue will vaporize in the puff of a smoke. So this is what you get. And on the back, you have this Velcro part. It does come with a replacement Velcro. You also have these little notches to really get on there to clean that stubborn dirt. But then this is where the magic happens. This is Velcro. You pop this on here, and this is steel wool and a smushy pad. You can see that there. You do get a second one as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to dip this into water. I have it right here. And then we are going to clean the stove. So let's turn off the heat and see how this works. Okay, this bristle-free steam cleaning grill brush has these steel fibers connected to that pad. And so it's really perfect for any grill. Like this worked perfectly in my home. I never would have thought about that. So special shout out to my friend. You do get the two replacements, and this is so easy. Look at that. I'm barely putting any pressure on here, and everything is just steaming right off. Pretty amazing. I just wanted to show you this here. Sorry, I'm dripping everywhere. This has held up nicely. It's a little bit warm to the touch now. And now let me show you up close the grill part of my stove. Please don't pay attention to the mess on the rest of the burners. This worked great. Here is a close-up look. And what I love about this is that you don't get close to that grime or the heat. You have that really great wooden handle. That is awesome. And this just really works so well. Love how this is making my grill inside spotless. Definitely put this in your cart. You're gonna love it. Highly recommend.